They had worked with Maya and testified today about accusations of an affair. The details only coming out after the Chula Vista mother disappeared. News 8's Jenny Day just stepped outside of the courtroom for this update. Jenny?
Yeah. So this does get a little complicated, but the man who finally admitted to having an affair with Maya, it came out in court today that it was actually his mother-in-law who first alerted the Navy, their employer, about her suspicions of an affair. So this man's wife's mother is sending anonymous emails and voicemails to all the higher-ups, as well as Larry, Maya's husband, who is now accused of killing her. The affair between Supervisor Maya Millete and her subordinate, Jamie Laird, the focus of the Millete murder trial Tuesday. Bosses and coworkers from the Navy's Southwest Regional Maintenance Center testifying someone called and emailed reporting their relationship. An investigation was launched. Both Maya and Jamie denied it, and it was seen as a misunderstanding 11 months before she vanished. Now, 9 months after Maya went missing, Jamie did come forward admitting he lied. Before that, though, those on the witness stand say the very private Maya came to them the day before she disappeared, shaking, crying, saying she was divorcing Larry and worried he would try to ruin her professionally. Emails were shown on a large screen showing Larry reached out to Maya's bosses, asking for another man to be assigned to another division, writing, "I apologize for the awkwardness of the situation, but it's putting a strain on our relationship." We also heard more of Maya's own words, emails to a close coworker and friend 8 days before prosecutors alleged she was killed, where she writes, "I've decided to file for divorce. I've suffered the consequences of my quietness and indifference. It's time to take back my home."
There's no evidence.
An investigator from the district attorney's office was also back on the stand talking about what he found on Larry's cell phone. He says screenshots of Jamie Laird's social media and emails to spellcasters requesting death spells. Larry spending more than $1,500 in 4 months to, quote, destroy the enemy, asking to banish Laird from their lives and bind Maya to him forever. I'll remind you, she disappeared January 7th, 2021. This investigator testified as her family searched for her January 9th. Larry was searching pornography sites. Again, there were hundreds of emails to these spellcasters, make Maya his sex slave or make her so sick she has to depend on Larry. This investigator reading them one by one, saying that the closer we got to the day that Maya disappeared, they became more violent and more desperate. So another really heavy day in court. This investigator will be back on the stand tomorrow, and we are still expecting to hear from the man at the center of this affair. For now, we are live in Chula Vista. Jenny Day, News 8.
Thanks, Jenny. And just a reminder, no cameras are allowed in the courtroom during the trial, but we have complete coverage. You can stay up to date with the latest from the trial online and on the go with our free streaming app. Just search for the CBS 8 mobile app in the App Store or on Google Play and stream us anytime.